Ladies and gentlemen of Germany and everywhere else in the world who's watching this show today, all I can say to you is stop the madness. February 9th, unbelievable. Inside Verstopf, NYSE Einstein from the New York Stock Exchange. I've been here for 32 years, and I must say this was the craziest week I've ever seen. And I was at the crash of '87. I was at Brexit. I was at 2007-8 complete meltdown. I've been here for Brexit. I've been here for Trump. I've been here for everything. I've watched markets go up and down like wild, like. Let's get back to it. Like seagulls in a hurricane. But never have I seen the reversal, the volatility, the wild transitions of markets crossing the 100 level, the down 100 level, up 250, down 250, reversals of 1,000 points, money coming in, money coming out, profit taking, technical bottoms, breaking moving averages, S&P, Dow Jones, Russell, transports, oil, gold. Stop the madness. I've never seen anything like it in 32 years of trading. What exactly happened here? It all started last week on Friday. We saw the perfect storm. We've talked about that a lot. All of these economic data things have been on the table. Low unemployment, potential for wage growth, tax reform, Federal Reserve raising rates, rallying markets, record high, 7,000 points up. When will it end? And then something happens, and something happens at the same time. Each of these things individually, economically, can cause a reversal in the market where it's basically, you know what, guys, it's time to take this off the table. Normally, interest rate rise, shrinking of money supply, the Federal Reserve making that decision, bond yields rallying, bond prices going down, can trigger a sell side in equities and a buy side in bonds. Could that have happened all year long? Absolutely. Did it happen? No. But when in conjunction with all and everything else that's happened, suddenly everything triggered all at once. On Monday, after Friday's rally, on a Friday afternoon, on a Friday evening, with a memo coming out of Washington, it caused a big sell-off of 657 points on Friday. We came in Monday, we were down 800 pre-market. We ended up opening down 400, rallied 250 points, and then you saw, if you watched my show all week long, we saw a reversal, we saw a flash crash midday, from down 500 in a fragile down market, down to down 1,500, rallied back 900 points in 4 minutes. And we saw the rest of the week volatile moves that were outrageous, crossing the 0 point hundreds of times, going up 1,000, down 1,000. We saw closing down 1,000, closing up 700, closing down 1,000 again. We've seen 2,800 point sell-off, almost 10% from the record just friggin' a week ago, right? The anomaly is not the fact that we've been down for 5 days and we've got 2,600 points off the record highs. The fact was that we were up for 400 days. So everyone's ideas are a little bit skewed. But this week, the volatility was amazing. Okay? Passive investing seems to be over. Interest rates are rising. People are taking money off the table. All different sectors, hedge funds, institutions, down to retail. They're watching it. They're calling their broker and going, how am I doing? Am I still up? Maybe I should take some off the table. It's too volatile. I can't handle it. Let's go into bonds. All these things are happening. They're unwinding. It's an unwinding massive trade. There's a huge trade on Wall Street of short volatility, long equities. When that's volatility skyrockets from 8 to 45, they're going to unwind that trade. People are long equities up the wazoo. If the large Vanguards and BlackRocks of the world decide to take a couple percent of their trillion-dollar funds off the table in equities and go somewhere else or go into cash, it's going to cause this kind of volatility. If you break 200 moving day averages in stocks in a big way after days of volatility, you're going to have guys trying to buy that back. We were down 250. We broke it down this morning, this afternoon, and the market rallied 700 points. We closed up 250 points. A lot of green here except oil. Oil got decimated. $1.4 billion,